We chose course material as our first metric because our focus will be towards the student, and if we want to help them, we must be able to teach them. Not being able to teach with the proper materials that they will empower them to succeed will make our job much more difficult and our purpose will not be fulfilled. When we have acquired the necessary materials, having proper places to teach and coach our students will support their development and will give them a place to practice what they have learned to ensure that they are prepared to enter the real world. The real world has powerful tools that will add our work and will help our students to excel. Having the internet in our facilities, giving our students the knowledge to find internet connection will help them practice what they have learned while using the necessary tools to communicate with people all across the world without having to travel to another location. Teaching our students how to use communication services like Zoom, Skype, Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp will give them the opportunity to build a business, communicate with friends who live in other countries. The last metric that we will focus on is marketing. We want our students to bring their friends and to spread the news by word of mouth through social media platforms where we will pay for some good advertising on Google Ads, but hope to minimize the costs. A value proposition statement. With a strong core, the rest will follow suit. Our biggest weakness is our early evangelist group. We'll need to secure early evangelists right from the start so we can have the funding to start as soon as possible. Our biggest opportunity in our customer viral group is satisfying our customer segment that will help spread the word about our cause. And our biggest threat is the government support. Our nonprofit needs to abide by all government rules and regulations. We will need support in this matter to be in compliance. The pivots in our canvas were made for our value proposition statement and customer segment. Each box will continue to have its own individual improvements. But our deepest wish was to promise our customers that evolving English would help them better their futures. Interviewing different potential customers helped us mold our goals into exactly what the customers were looking for. We're excited to see the amount of lives that will be impacted by our nonprofit organization, Evolving English Language, and we appreciate everyone's support and look forward to growing the opportunities in Brazil. Thank you.